What if I told you the same technology that's replacing jobs is also creating millionaires? Yeah, artificial intelligence isn't just about robots or ChatGPT anymore. It's becoming a money-making machine. From side hustles to full-blown AI startups, people are quietly earning thousands of dollars every single month. But here's the real question. Can AI actually make you rich? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how ordinary people are using AI to build wealth and how you can start today, even if you've never written a single line of code. We're living in the middle of the biggest technological shift since the internet boom. Back in the early 2000s, people laughed at the idea of making money online. Today, those same ideas are billion-dollar empires. AI is following the exact same pattern: fast, disruptive, and full of opportunity. In 2023, ChatGPT exploded. By 2025, AI tools are writing scripts, designing logos, managing ads, creating videos, and even building entire websites. So the question isn't if AI will change everything, it's how fast you can adapt and ride this wave before it's too late. Here's something wild. A 19-year-old used ChatGPT to start a small copywriting agency, and within 6 months, he was making over $15,000 a month. A real estate agent built an AI chatbot to answer client questions 24/7 and tripled his sales. And a YouTuber used AI voice tools, stock footage, and auto-editing software to grow from 0 to 500,000 subscribers, all without ever showing his face. These aren't random success stories. They're proof that AI rewards creativity, not just coding. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need ideas, execution, and the right tools. Now, let's talk about 3 real ways AI can actually make you money. Number 1, AI as a business partner. Think of it as your 24/7 assistant that never sleeps. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write ad copy, build sales funnels, or even handle customer support. Imagine running an online business where AI does 80% of the work: emails, designs, posts, while you focus on growth. That's not a dream anymore. It's happening right now. Number 2, AI-powered freelancing. You don't have to start a business. You can start earning today. Freelancers are using AI to write blog posts, design graphics, edit videos, and automate boring tasks. They're delivering work 10 times faster and getting paid more for it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of AI experts, charging premium rates for things AI already automates. You don't have to invent the tools, you just need to learn how to use them. And when you do, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Number 3, AI content creation. Now this one's the gold mine. You can build faceless YouTube channels, TikTok pages, or Instagram accounts entirely powered by AI. Use AI to write your scripts, generate voiceovers, and even create stickman animation videos like this one. Once your content starts getting views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and digital product sales can snowball into real income. That's the exact formula many creators are quietly using right now to make a fortune online. But here's the truth. AI won't magically drop money in your lap. It's not a get-rich-quick button. It's a get-rich-smarter tool. The people winning right now understand one formula: AI plus creativity plus execution equals income. Don't just ask, what can AI do? Ask, how can I use AI to multiply what I already do? If you're in marketing, AI can triple your output. If you're in real estate, AI can qualify your leads. If you're a content creator, AI can produce faster than any human team. The key is leverage, using AI to work for you, not replace you. And here's what's even crazier. Experts predict the AI industry will create over $15 trillion in new wealth by 2030. That's not just tech billionaires. That's creators, freelancers, marketers, and small business owners who jumped in early. Just like people who bought Bitcoin in 2012 or started YouTube in 2010, this is that moment for AI. The window is open right now, but it won't stay open forever. The next 2 years will decide who gets rich from AI and who gets replaced by it. So, can artificial intelligence actually make you rich? Absolutely, if you treat it like a partner, not a toy. Start small, learn the tools, build something that solves a real problem. And who knows, maybe a year from now, you'll be the one saying, AI didn't take my job, it gave me a business. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe.